Alright, if you guys have been watching for a while, you'll remember I did a video a while back on fixing the hatch, or, well, fixing the switch in the hatch. That went pretty well, but it turns out the reason the switch broke is that these are going out, and quite frankly, they're going out to where whenever you go to open up the hatch, you're putting more stress on the button, because it's supposed to, you press a button and it kicks open just enough for you to grab that. Well, it wasn't doing that, so you put a lot more stress on the button to actually move this thing. It slowly broke the button. So that's fixed. Now that I realize that what's going on, we're going to fix those. We're going to replace them with brand new. They're supposed to be OEM quality, and I'm hoping that's the case. It's actually pretty simple, but you are going to want to have something holding it up while you work on it. Frankly, I'm being my normal idiot self. I'm just going to use a stick. Normally you'd want either another person or like a 2x4 that's actually cut to the right size, or on a lift, basically like a 2x4 on a jack. I'm also really tired, so I'm going to forget some words, so thank God we're going to be doing a voiceover later, unless I can't, and then y'all just going to have to be okay with this. Well, we found the crack. Oh, these are my gutters. Cracks. I was kidding about this snack. Hey everybody, it looks pretty simple. Day 2 or 3. Continue making sure that's got a good seal to it. And it should be a fairly simple operation. You get some way to hold that up, and you remove one at a time and replace it one at a time. You use a screwdriver or a clip removing tool. Either one of these or one of these. Now, alright, let's see if close enough. There we go. Perfect. Ooh, look at how nice and shiny that is. Thankfully. And you just line up and drive it home. And we'll just do to this what we did to the other side. Oop. There's a camera stand. It's supposed to pop right off. And can't force this one closed either. It means it's most likely not the culprit. And, oh, silly Josh. Alright, we're gonna have to unscrew that for a second. Because it was there. Alright, I'll get this where it needs to go. Screw it in. Make sure it's screwed all the way in. And there we go. Brand new, clipped in. It's not gonna push itself out. Alright, let's move to the other side. Pop off. Come on. There we go. That one doesn't want to move in either, so be severely disappointed if it turns out these are not the problem. They're cheap though, so I don't mind replacing them, but there we go. Now we'll test it. See if that was the case. Alright, moment of truth. Alright, there we go. Let's see. Alright, well, that's a slightly abject failure on my part. It's moving with more ease, and it's got more kick and to get up, and it's easier to open up the hatch than it was, but it's not doing what it's supposed to, which is kick out enough for you to be able to grab the handle, or kick out enough that you're able to grab the bottom, so you're not putting all that weight and effort on the switch. So, alright. Going to have to figure out if it was just designed to be terrible, or if I'm missing something important. I hope I'm not missing something important. I really do. If you know what I'm doing wrong, let me know. If you just want to laugh at me, also let me know. So, please like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys have a good one. Stay safe out there.